Good morning, student. The last class I took in the soil types. There are found in Tamil Nadu 5 types of the soils. After that, the 5 types of the forest found in Tamil Nadu. So mainly for forest found in Tamil Nadu, tropical evergreen forest, mountainous forest, and next one is the tropical deciduous forest. It lies in the regions, the margins of the semi-evergreen or evergreen forest. Semi-evergreens and the evergreen forest is mainly for set the leaves in during the summer season and dry seasons. So tropical evergreen forest found in the rainy seasons, but the tropical deciduous forest found in this below 200 centimeter rainfalls. ECS set the leaves during the summer seasons or dry seasons. Is the found in this semi-evergreens is found in the semi-evergreens and the evergreen forest. After the important trees, the trees is height is more than 30 meters. 30 meters and importance important trees are found in this forest mainly for silk cottons, above the top teak, and some other forests also found in these regions. Mainly for in this forest found in the economic purpose. The mainly for in the economically importance this forest. Next topic is the mangrove forest. The mangrove forest found in the mainly for coastal areas. Mangrove forest also known as a Sundarabans. These forests are found in the coastal areas, river delta, the island areas, and the sea areas. Cover the sea areas, sea forces. These vegetations is a tropically evergreen. These vegetations tropically evergreens and moderate height. There is a mainly for leathery leaves. Some of the solubles of the tidal forest found in the salt water. These trees also found in the mainly in salt water. The mangrove forest found in the salt waters, and found in this forest, the mangrove forest found in the district of one is here Pichavaram, Vedaranyam, Muthupet, and some other part of these areas. Muthupet, Pichavaram, and some areas of the found mainly for the Sathiram also the found. Sathiram also found in Tamil Nadu. Next topic is in mainly for tropical thorny forest. Tropical thorny forest. The tropical thorny forest is found in the areas of mainly found in little rainfalls. So the tropical thorny forest found in the very little rainfall. So tropical evergreen forest receive the growing heavy rainfall. Tropical deciduous forest very low rain, moderate rainfalls. But the tropical thorny forest found in the regions of very little rainfalls is the growing in the about the 400 meter altitude, mainly for 400 meters altitude. The common trees, some of the trees also found in these regions. Some of the trees also mainly found in the regions of areas of the other found of the areas. They serve are the common vegetations in the types of the forest. Mainly for Dharumbari, Ramanathapuram, mainly for Dharumbari, Ramanathapuram. Virudhunagar, and some other part of the interior district. Some other part of the interior district also found in the tropical thorny forest. Tropical thorny forest, mainly for the acacia, beech, neem, and palm. So some of these types of the trees also found in the tropical thorny forest. Dharumburis, Ramanathapuram, Virudhunagar, and some other interior district also found in the tropical thorny forest. So next topic, 6.11, the wildlife. The animals and the birds live in the forest. The constitute for wildlife. The wildlife. There are several wildlife sanctuaries or the natural park also found in Tamil Nadu. For the Nilgiris, the importance of the Nilgiris, the biosphere reserve, Hulk of Mannar, and Agatya Malai. So some of the biospheres reserve the found in these areas. Mainly for Tamil Nadu, the state, varieties of the climate, landforms and climate. The Tamil Nadu, the varieties of the form, landforms and climate. So various types of the animals and trees and birds also found. And other things is that district among the Indian state, Tamil Nadu is available resources utilize rationality, mainly for achieving this goal, mainly for achieving the different types of the climate found in Tamil Nadu, different types of the animals, different types of the birds also found in, mainly for the three importance biosphere reserves. One is the Hulk of Mannar, Nilgiris, Agatya Malai. So next topic, the disasters. So disasters. So in this topic, all the soils completed and tropical forest, 5 types of the forest. Then is the wildlife also completed. Next topic, disaster. So thank you. Next topic, disasters.